guys! Good morning! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Uni-Oil Vermont Marcos Highway and this is our 5th Motobex Gas of Charity Drive. So again, maraming salamat sa mga brand na sumusuporta kada taon. At sa susunod na ulit, sana mag-join ulit tayo. Maraming salamat and God bless!
Good morning, guys!
Morning!
Yeah, I am Inday Rider.
And I'm Zara Moto. Hello!
And we represent United Women Who Ride.
We've been a good friend of Motobex
Yes.
ever since pa, and palagi naging advocacy namin is to help other people.
Lagi tayo nagsusupport ng ating community. Our passion for two wheels, ito yung nagagawa niya actually. Kaya nandito kami ni Zara to support Motobex dahil 5 years na niyang ginagawa.
I know, 5
And I
years.
think it's gonna go hanggang kaya niya pa. We want to be a blessing also to our fellow riders lang katulad nitong mga naglo-logistic riders. Kaya United Women Who Ride will always support advocacies like this.
Yes! Congratulations, Motobex!
Congrats!
Hi, I'm Chuck Montecillo of Hero Motorcycles Philippines. We're here supporting Motobex and his charity drive, Gas Up. And the reason we're supporting this event is because we want to give back to the daily heroes, those riders that bring our things every day. They deliver stuff for us, and we want to show our support as a brand to the community that takes care of our community. And we hope that this event continues on.
Hi everyone, I'm Oliver, dealer of Uni-Oil Marcos Highway. Gusto namin i-support itong charity drive ni Motobex dahil nakakatulong ito sa mga riders natin. Hindi lang sa pagtulong nakapagbigay saya. Makikita mo yung mga riders nandyan. Araw-araw nagtatrabaho sila. Mahirap yung ginagawa nila, umulan, umaraw. Nandyan sila para sa atin. Now this is time na makapag-give back tayo sa kanila.
Hi, this is Jonathan Dan of Bendix Philippines. We continue to support this activity of Motobex because the delivery riders are our everyday heroes in the road. Sa ulan, sa traffic, sa init and everything, they're here. So this is our way of giving back to these delivery riders. And syempre, sa heart ng business namin is safety. We want to ensure safety sa mga delivery riders. Uy, thank you so much sa pag-support! Grabe!
As always,
Thank you!
Congratulations, Ceci, kasi 5 years na to. So, talagang sinusuportahan ko tong charity event mo kasi alam kong napakabuti ng puso mo.
Siyempre, sino pa ba?
Deserve mo ang pagmamahal at more blessings. At syempre,
Okay, thank
sinusupport ko rin to kasi mahalaga sa akin yung mga riders natin kasi hindi biro yung trabaho nila. Deserve nila to and dahil sa'yo, Ceci, napasayaman sila again and again and
Pero
again.
thank you din kasi syempre yung
Congratulations.
energy mo na share mo sa kanila.
Thank you, Motobex.
Ayun.
More power hanggang sa madaming years pa.
Motobex Year 5 Gas Up Charity Drive!
Hi guys, good morning. Ako si Jav, kasama ko si Lex, si Migs at si Ras, and we are from Wheelbase. Bakit nga ba kami nandito? Nandito kami para sa Year 5 Gas Up Charity Ride ni Motobex. Siyempre, suportahan namin si Motobex. Bakit? Kasi sinusuportahan niya ang riding community. At kahit anong kumpanya na sumusuporta sa riding community, Wheelbase will always be there kasi yun yung vision namin. Sinusuportahan namin yung riding community by giving them a tool right now na lahat ng kailangan ng isang rider ay nandoon, pinagsama-sama namin. I-download nyo ang Wheelbase at malalaman nyo kung bakit ito yung app na para sa inyo.
So, I'm Giselle from Drive Plus, Motobex event kasi we know na lahat dapat belong. pati LGBT riders natin belong. So, we want to support them. 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 We want ito yung way ng Drive Plus to support him and his community. Also, provided items na mararamdaman din ng mga in-invite ni Motobex, and we're grateful. Invited kami sa ganitong community kasi sobrang mahal ni Drive Plus yung mga riders natin. Yun lang. Thank you. Please support Drive Plus and support our products. Thank you.
Salamat po sa Motobex. Salamat po din po sa event na to. Marami po akong napanalaw at saka napasaya po ako sa full tank na binigay sa akin. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat. Malaking bagay itong free gas saka sa mga freebies. Nakakatulong sa amin sa pang-araw-araw namin pagbiyahe.
Salamat Motobex at Uni Oil.
Salamat Motobex and Uni Oil.
Salamat Motobex at Uni Oil.
Alright guys, natapos na tayo sa ating 5th year Motobex Gas Up Charity Drive. Maraming salamat sa mga brands na sumuporta. Unioil Philippines, itong station na to, Greyhound, Playground, Vermont Station, thank you so much. Sa lahat ng mga organizations, clubs, individuals na nag-donate, maraming salamat. Ako po ay isang instrumento lamang. Ito po ay isang collaborative community effort para magbigay halimbawa sa ating community. Stay kind, be kind, and thank you so much everybody.